one thing about Mozambican women, angazi about guys if bayashare South African, ukuyajona South African.
Mina.
Ngiyabuza nje curiosity.
Yeah, umuntu njola naye vele wala.
Okay, and mangathi compare maybe my sister from Mozambique to South African sister, what would you say e plus or a negative?
Like before, like ngizothini benoma umntwana mina before yena vele bekaphila lempilo bebangicocela ngayo le uthi abantu bangali amantombazane angali man ayabhema nabona lezo zinto bayathukana abanye
banale amabruko ngoba nginokubona my sister ngqo
basha amakapulana ngale
yeah
vele ngale moya intombazana ikapulana vele kumele indlula amadolo uma ufaka iskate kumele sindlule idolo
bese mabafika ngapha
bafika ngapha baphila lempilo ngapha yabo so lo muntu loyo uyongibonisa vele ukuthi yazini eGoli kunempilo eso bese besikhala silwa ndomthola bhema ngimzama umchinja wachinja vele after vele benalento uthi mangimagigini abanalento uthi ufuna ukukhompyutha nami mangiphumi naye ufuna ukuphuma ngiphumile ufuna ukuphuma and sometimes mina bengaphumi yena aphuma abuya zonkokotela ngabo uthuna egcina ngathi yazini lento le mina ngisebenzela ungcona iphela yabona but after yena ngathola umunye umuntu lo muntu lo umphethe sharp because manje is 3 years manje sijola mina naye
uthanda amantombazana fast.
No, ngithanda umuntu azongi-understand.
Akekho fast.
Ufast because naye unokunginceda kwezinye izinto yabona. Yena unokubonisa naye ukuthi yabona into eso ungayenzi. Ungayenzi into eso izokhawaza wona. Makuhambe isikhathi. Kuba like ezinye izinto benalento ukuthi hayi ngamthatha serious ngiba like hayi.
Yeah, I wish besinesikhathi ukuthi sikhona ukukhuluma kakhulu especially ngocompare amantombazana
yeah.
Because it's very funny. I've seen a lot of there's women that I buy avocado from bona baseMozambique. Bahlala bangisupply every week bangiphathela ama-avocado.
Like abantu bangale ngizothini bakhuthele. Because like abana ukhetha ukuthi ngimele ngenze into esona no. Yonke into izobafakela imali bayenze. But abala abazothi ngithengisa amatamati mina khona angeke yabona.
Yeah. Okay, yeah ngizongena kwenye question lapho. Quick but bengifuna ukuyivala by saying ukuthi I don't think I've seen intombazana yase Mozambique engashela or engachoma guys from this side. I've never seen into leyo with my own eyes. Maybe ngibone in a wrong way, but no. I've seen ukuthi they are kind of loyal to their own men as opposed to and men like I say from Mozambique. I don't really anginakisisi ukuthi bayashela kangako in terms of ngapha South Africa. Mozambicans I've noticed ukuthi like keeping to themselves in terms of ne family ne yonke into yabo. No leso ufuna uku-add lapho but bengifuna ukuchubeka ngilapha kule enye.
No yazi lento isho ukuthi awukazi wabona umuntu wangali yajona umuntu angapha. Lento la ngisho isikhula sazi ukuthi South Africa abafana bangale bayadubulana bayagwazana nana. So uma ufika la vele ubana lento leyo ukuthi hey la ngayenza imistake bazongigwaza bazongibulala yabona. So yiyo lento lenza ukuthi abantu abaningi bangafuni ukujola ngapha. Umuntu mozana ngale mafika ngapha vele bazibambela thina vele abangali vele singapha.
Yeah, uyayisenza lento ukuthi kunokuthukanyana kunobu reserve.
Bayasaba vele. Just ukuthi abanye bayenza ukuthini banesikhathi dala bala sebayibonile impilo yalo muntu wajola naye. But nje angeke.
Okay, I know asibambe lapho because nakhona so answerile nalo question there ngifuna ukuyibuza in terms of iperspective yenu ngama South Africans ukuthi cause ikhona into lokuthi abantu ama-gents awa South Africa ba lazy abathanda ukusebenza and if you notice i-work ethic yama-Mozambican ikhona vele aphusha ama-Mozambican whether i-saloon or yabo kuyaphusha in terms of i-business nalento ukuthi vele uyavula ngesikhathi esikanje yabo and then sometimes ufike e-saloon uthola ama-gents wase-South Africa asihlelele lapho if une-TV wabuke i-TV and then you can understand why kuba nale impression ukuthi ama-South Africans are lazy. Ikhona leyo impression there that side lastly nje before sivala.
Ngasho ukuthi khona because
yeah sensitive lo uzokhuluma ngoba yathukana kuma comment la ku TV sifawuthi.
Ngasho ukuthi khona because like nokubona abantu umuntu afunda acede isikole. Khona umunye umuntu mina benalento uthi ntwana ngiyabona ukuthini benothi makafika esaloni ngibhizi athi waze ngincedise ngibona ukuthi untwana uyakhona ukuyenza lento just ukuthi angazi ukuthi angenza kanjani balake hayi intwana zwakala sisipanisana yabona izinto ungazazi ngizokufundisa mina awu sasipana nontwana ujikijika untwana angasizi ngimbuze kambani because mina benganayo lento ukuthi hayi ngoba untwana vele angazi niksi ngithi ngamnicknicks now bengimcabangele ngithi baphela iviki vele Sunday vele bahamba ntwana nawo uthenga ikhulu uthenga insipho nani yabona lezo zinto So ngihlezi ngibona abantu abaningi bacedile isikole bamile emakhonini bayabhema. Ngofika bakucela i-R1 ngicela uthenga ugwayi uma uthi awunayo kube inkinga umuntu yakuthuka nana ubona lezo zinto. So ngifela ngathi lento ukuthi abanye abantu balezi angeke sithi abantu base South Africa balezi no. Khona abanye abalizi because into le yenzeka inch every indawo. Because nangalo bakhona vele abantu bangafuni ukusebenza. Yabo. Abanye banalento uthini angeke sithi balezi banalento ukuthini mina ngifuna ukusebenzela umsebenzi engiwufundele. But mina ngifela ngathi uwesi isikhathi sakho. Because if uthola opportunity before uthola lento oyifunayo, kumele uyenzeni ungene lapho. Mase uthola lento oyifunayo khani ke ungachubeka nalento uyifunayo vele than ukuthi uvuke uhlale nani.
Okay. Yeah, I mean I don't think ukuthi South Africans per se is indaba ye culture. Kunama culture, elokishini kunama culture, there's certain ways abantu baphila ngakhona, kunezinto abazithandayo as much as kuma suburbs there's certain things abantu abazithandayo. There are certain things nje abantu abazenzayo. I-culture lento ukuthi mazithi Thursday iphuza Thursday. It's a culture hayi ukuthi South African thing. I-culture nje mentality abantu at a certain place. Same as asithi elokishini yabo ama culture nje different things. But I know it's cool. I think singayivala. Actually bengifuna ukungena kunento lezama isibhedlela sokuthi uyangena isibhedlela ngithi kunamadudula bamisa abantu mayibhedlela nama I wanted to get into that. But asibambe maybe for next time we'll have another episode. Hopefully. But for now, what type of DJing work do you do? Maybe ungena kuma events anjani for abantu mebafuna ukubooka because uyasho ukuthi angithi DJ kamnandi. Uyashaya ridings lena. So what type of people book you maybe, and if they book you yini number yakhona? Maybe mangasho ukuthi ushilo ukuthi udlali u-DJ ipiano. Ngiyazi piano enokuhluka.
Piano liyahluka kune commercial, kune sigija, kune private, yabona.
So wena
mina ngidlala lonke ipiano ngiyadlala.
Okay.
Like any music I can play. Just ukuya ngomuntu because nalento uthini ne sound neba nokungibhuka emishadweni nana. Le mishado yangama culture abantu ukuthi bafuna ingoma zinakani so ngiyazidlala but umuntu makangibhuka straight ukuthi like ngizothini ngiya nge-crowd. Ukuthi mangifika kuleyo crowd injani.
Okay, so you're DJ and in the sound system. Okay, so typical ama events around Gauteng. So you're saying around Gauteng you're able to do ama events bangakubhuka abantu for imishado,
i-party.
Okay, so you just maybe name inamba lapho uzokhona ukubhala screenini ukuthi ba contact abantu and then baye ku social media yakho if bafuna ukuzwa i-stuff sakho maybe ukuthi udlala kanjani.
If you khona umuntu ufuna ukubona ukuthi ngisipana kanjani come to DJ, can follow me ku TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, just nje ubhala Lloyd Moss. Uzovela ama number 081 35 24 297.
Okay.
So ngabonga if ukhona umuntu uzobukela vela le video angibhuke.
Sesingena kusizini yakhona phela manje.
Vela seshubile vela manje. Shubile.
Okay, I know. Everyone who's watching, thanks for watching, and we try to balance things because up until now there's been a case where certain people feel there's xenophobic energies when it comes to TVC Gauteng. It's not really that. Sometimes you need to speak people's stories and not filter the stories. I'm speaking about the initial stories that are on the channel. Sometimes you find there are clashes when it comes to people who are from outside South Africa and people who are in South Africa. So today, I'm glad that I kind of learned the perspective yokuthi abantu ba from outside South Africa, especially in Mozambique, the kind of impression they have of South Africans. Sometimes you need a mirror, to put a mirror in front of yourself to see ukuthi ninjani, and not in a good or in a bad way, but just to hear a different perspective ukuthi how are we perceived by other nations. Remember, the channel is TVC Gauteng. So it showcases people who live in Gauteng. A person who lives in Gauteng can be a Gauteng native, a person who was born in South Africa, or it can be a person from outside South Africa. Remember, as a rainbow nation, South Africa has attracted a lot of different cultures and different people who come to Gauteng to come and push their hustles. So the whole point of the channel is to showcase such things, but also to make a better Gauteng by either showcasing the negatives or the positives so that people are able to learn from such things. Thank you for tuning in, and apologies for being long-winded. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the content. And since we're moving into the festive season, if you're looking for a person who's going to play at your wedding or an event, or you own a club, there's Mr. DJ Lloyd. You can check out his handle there in terms of social media, and he gave his number. You can contact him and hook him up for a gig or so to show people in Gauteng love. Thank you for tuning in. Till next time. Go for the next.